What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change who can see your location on Snapchat. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up Snapchat and then go to your Snap Map. You can then click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Under Who Can See My Location, you can select your friends, My Friends Except, or Only These Friends. And then select the friends that you would like to see your location and click Save. You can also enable Ghost Mode. When Ghost Mode is enabled, your friends can't see your location for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. And that's how you can change who can see your location on Snapchat.